Look, man, now this is some stupid shit that I really, really hate. You know, these old-fashioned fucking factory type outlets. You know what I'm saying? It's just such a bitch to try to upgrade that, to the newest stuff. Because now, the way they used to do it back in the day is that they would just, like, kind of open these wires up. See? Just make them visible. And this right here, the old outlets, they had these little slides. See, if you can see there, those slides. And you slide. They were so, I don't even know how the fuck you could get these damn things in there. Or how they did it, if it took a special tool. I've tried putting them in there before. Always ended up cutting the wire because these things are like super freaking tight. Man, this is the worstest design for an outlet I've ever seen in my fucking life. But now, because of that, it's gonna make it twice as hard. So, I mean, twice as long to change it out. It'll be easier to change it out, but it'll take twice as long. Because now I'm gonna have to make both the hot, the ground and everything, I'm gonna have to make all that. Like, I'm gonna have to, like, see how they got two slits? So I'm gonna have to slit this back further, and I'm gonna cut this right in half. It's gonna have to make it two of them. On the new outlets, well, I can put that on there. Two on this side, two on that side. Since there'll be, when I split this wire in half, there'll be two blacks then, and there'll be two whites, and there'll be two grounds. The copper wire in the bottom. Now there isn't two grounds, but that's easy. All you gotta do is just wrap that copper wire around to one of them, and just make it one wire, You can't do that with the powered cables. You want them to have the best connection as possible. But yeah, it's a piece of shit. Not to mention that back then, they didn't have any boxes. So yeah, had to freaking customize, make a box. And gonna have to still cut a hole in the wall and everything just to make this box fit. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now, I had the same problem with this right here, the same outlet. It was it's a different part of the house. But to show you what it looks like when it's done, it should look like this. Flat to the wall. Flat to the wall, super straight. And the wires were backwards. Whoever wired this one, they wired it backwards, so I had to rewire it again. But that's what it should look like, and that's what it will look like. I just don't have the time to show that in person. But yeah, hope you like this video.